From the noisiest neighborhood in the known universe, welcome to Why Can't I Get These Coals Lit 2.0. Oh, Smoky Goodness 2.0. YouTube's bison-centric barbecue and grilling channel, but we do other things as well. Tonight featuring something we did probably 15, 16 years ago. It was right at the start of this channel when it was still known as just plain old Smoky Goodness, over in the real noisiest neighborhood in the known universe. Something we did called, I think it was called a fire omelet. Not because of the heat of the ingredients that went into the omelet. It's because we cooked an omelet over the coals, fire. Fire would be nice tonight because I can't get these things to light. I don't know if it's the weather or what. It's very cold out here, but who cares? This is either going to be a fire omelet or we could call it a fire scramble. It depends on how cold my hands get. As you can probably tell, the sun is going down, and I'm going to be fighting with these coals for the next probably 15 to 20 minutes, so it may be dark by the time we actually get going on this, so please stick around. Okay, while we're waiting for the coals to warm up, please hurry up and warm up. And I'm going to dice up an onion, and we're going to saute that onion out there on the grill with some Sang stir-fry oil. Yum, yum. So we'll do that real quick. Gotta have green peppers in your omelet, man. I know you remember this thing. Dahlia Chop Wizard, better known to some as the Chopolator, for the green onions that are going in here right now. Yes, sir. Green onions. These are green bell peppers. But that's not all. Cool. All right. We're going to do something that I've been planning for about, what, 15 years? Maybe 16? The first egg. This little guy was a little guy back when we did the original fire omelet. And on that video, he cracked his first egg. Here's a clip. So, in keeping with our policy of tradition or whatever, I'm going to crack the first egg for this recreation of the fire omelet and or the fire scramble. All right, I'm going to crack the rest of these. We're going to get out there and get going, so stick around. I like to add a little splash of milk, just a little bit. Kind of creams up those eggs. I'm going to whip them and whip them good. And while I'm whipping them, my sous chef is going to grab me the cracked black pepper in every aisle. Pepper, I'm not going to add salt because I don't think it needs it, you know. But pepper, you gotta have it, you know. You just gotta have it. I hope I have enough. Yeah, I got enough. We're not even ready for this yet, so this is going to go in the fridge while we do the next steps. All right, I am going to assume, and this is probably going to be a bad assumption, shut up traffic, that I have enough light out here on the stage to do the rest of this video. So, let's begin. First time we did this in a cast iron skillet, but we're not doing that today. We're using the amazing Weber wok and the equally amazing Sang stir-fry oil. We are going to, in mere moments, saute those onions that we just cut up, and we'll get on with the following steps right after that. These onions smell really good. We're just going to kind of saute these. From here on out, things are probably going to go pretty darn quickly. And can you smell these onions? Smell amazing. Sure the neighbors can. Alright, back in a couple of minutes. Alright, anyway. Should we add our egg? I think it's about time. But wait, there's more. Alright, this is 8 eggs. I threw in some mushrooms. These are not fresh mushrooms. These are mushrooms from a can. Why am I using mushrooms from a can? Simple. I forgot to buy the mushrooms fresh the other day. My bad. Okay, next. And you know this because you saw us cut these up with the good old chop wizard, or as I like to refer to it, this thing. Bob, Barbecue Pit Boys, would call it a chopolator. Wish I'd have thought of that myself, but I can't steal anyone else's thunder, you know. Okay, and before the eggs begin to set up, give them a quick stir. Make sure everything's incorporated because it's starting to set up. So, some raw spinach. It makes us strong to the finish, right? Gotta have this. And then Mr. Smoky Goodness Jr. is going to add the creme de la creme. Prosciutto. All right. Oh man, this is setting up nicely. Yeah, my mouth is full. I cannot be around raw spinach without, you know, testing it to see if it's good. All right. Oh yeah. The fire omelet, the return, or the fire scramble. They all cook the same. Well, they all eat the same.
This shizzle's fire, bro.
I don't know what you just said, but language that was, but I agree. I agree. And the first responder is making all that noise. He's going the opposite direction. Matter of fact, I don't think the camera can hear it anymore. One more, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can't have too much prosciutto. Yeah, I can't use that music anymore. That's, yeah, I haven't mentioned this on the show yet, but all that stuff you heard from Audio Network, not touching it. I will get copyright strikes. I got a bunch of them. I got purged twice on this channel for using music that used to be okay. It's like Tom Petty said once. The boys upstairs want to see how much you'll pay for what you used to get for free. All right? Oh man, this is gonna be epic. Right, we'll bring you back in a little bit. Those are actually planets, not stars. So Jupiter's the one on top.
No, it's the one on the bottom.
Oh yeah, there we go. How about that? That needs to be a picture, doesn't it? They're very scrambled. This did, like I said, like I assumed it might, turn into a scramble, not an omelet, but who's complaining? No one, that's who. If you don't have pit barrel gloves, get yourself a pair. Even if you don't have a pit barrel cooker. I know other companies make great gloves, but these pit barrel gloves, I have never had any complaints about them. I could pick up this wok, it's red hot, well, it's white hot, and I could walk 7 miles with it. And not worry about a thing. All right, let's get this inside. See you there. Well, maybe. Pick your poison, boys. Little Texas Pete. Be very, very careful with it. Sometimes it will light you up. As it's doing to me right now, after my little taste test. But how did it taste there, Mr. Smoky Goodness Jr.?
Well, this tastes like...
Let's reminisce. Oh, you're eating that. Best fire omelet scramble we've ever had.
worst protein bar I've ever had.
What kind of protein bar is that?
Cookie dough.
I gotta tell you what happened. In my effort to get a good framed shot for the final, the money shot of this video, I forgot to hit the record button. That was 2 hours ago. As it turns out, all the dishes are washed, or they're in the washing machine right now. The dishwasher, the washing machine. Yeah, that'd be fun. That'd be a lot of fun. Kind of day I'm having. But how was it?
It was good. It was very good.
It was better than the original. I like the way the Texas Pete plays with the Cholula. And the eggs are perfectly cooked, and even though they are canned mushrooms, they're pretty darn good in this. And the spinach just makes it happen. It just to prove to you that we've already eaten. Everything's in the dishwasher.
E for gore.
I forgore. Forgive me for I forgore.